So this week's word of the week for week number 27 is flexibility. Now, flexibility is defined as the range of movement possible at the joint. Okay. Examples of flexibility are yoga, Tai Chi, Pilates, and much, much more. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. All right, so for Fast 5 workout number 10, the following exercises will be included. Number 1, stationary skips. 2, walking lunges. 3, figure eights. And 4, jumping jacks. So make sure you stay tuned and I'll demonstrate those movements in just a moment. All right, so for exercise number 1, as I mentioned, it's gonna be stationary skips. So what you're gonna do, if you don't know how to skip, it's just simple. It's a hop and a pop. So you're gonna hop in place and pop your knee up. Okay, so we're gonna do stationary skips. If you want, see how I am alternating my hand and my feet. So if my left hand goes up, my right foot comes up, and then I'm gonna switch. So think about that, just hop and pop at the same time, okay? Second, we're gonna do walking lunges. So I'm gonna go and start on my right side, your left, I believe. And I'm gonna go lunge, that's 1, 2, notice that my body is moving across. I'm gonna turn around, go 3, and then go back. Okay, alternating my legs. So that's walking lunges. The next one, we're gonna do figure eights. So we're gonna go on to our bottoms. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift your legs up about 6 inches off the ground, and you are gonna do an 8 with your feet. So it looks like this. So you're gonna draw an invisible 8 using your legs. All right, and our last and final exercise is going to be jumping jacks. Now, if you don't know how to do a jumping jack, if your feet are together and your hands are at your side, when your legs are out, your hands are up, you guys can clap, okay? You guys can make a heart, or you guys can just go straight up like this, and then almost touch, okay? So rainbow, clap, or heart, completely up to you. So here we go. Again, legs go out, hands come up. I'll do heart, I'm back in. Legs go out, hands come up. I'll make a rainbow. And the last one, I'll do a clap. And back in, okay? Again, legs are together, your hands are at your side, okay? Remember that. So get ready for our Fast 5 workout number 10, and we'll get started in just a moment. All right, so here we go. We're gonna start with those stationary skips in place. Here we go, starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Stationary skips. Again, a hop and a pop. Remember to alternate your hands. If your right leg goes up, your left hand comes up. Left leg goes up, your right hand comes up. It's going to help you get that rhythm. All right, let's go do those walking lunges. So 1, 2, 3, and then turn around. 1, 2, 3. Again, you almost want to touch the floor, but you don't want to bang your knee on the floor. Great job. Keep up the good work. Awesome job. Keep it up. Remember, I say, just finish. All right, let's go down. You got those figure eights. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Get your legs up. Make that circle, 2 circles. Down, up, and around. On your feet. Back with all these. Jumping jacks ready and go. So you have your breathing. challenge yourself, see how many you can do. And then, round 2, we're gonna do more. Get that heart pump. All right, 1 minute rest. Hope you guys are enjoying this Fast 5 workout. If you have not checked out Fast 5 1 through 9, highly recommend you do that. You're gonna have so many workouts that you can do with your friends and family at the end of the year. Round 2 coming up. Yeah, we're gonna start with those stationary skips. Here we go, 20 seconds. If you guys are enjoying the t-shirt, it's brand new. You guys can check out my Teespring site as well as my Redbubble site. And you guys can purchase your own ThePESpot gear or merch, okay? So, all proceeds go directly to anything that we might need for the workouts as well as the activities, all right? So here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Round 2, let's go. That's a hop and a pop. You want to challenge yourself, go on your toes. Don't let your back foot, your heel hit the floor. On your toes the whole time. Hop and a hop, a hop and a hop. Let's go. All right, get those walking lunges, go. Number 3, turn around. Try to get as low as you can. So we're seeing at the bend knee, and the bend. Remember, just finish. You got it, 30 seconds. You do anything you can put your mind to. Just finish. Doing amazing. Good work. All right, going down. Figure 8. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. We're gonna see how good you guys can draw your 8s with your legs. I bet a lot of you are like, oh, that's easy. That's your answer, feeling it. You got it, come on. We just got this one and one more. All right, let's go. Jumping jacks. Finish it off, go. You can get my score in jumping jacks. All right, you did a great job, my friends. If you could beat 25 jumping jacks in 30 seconds, you beat my score. Awesome job working out, completing the task at hand. And again, do some high five, pat yourself on the back. If you have somebody there, fist pump them. If not, here's the invisible fist pump. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 10. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know in the comment section what was your favorite exercise of the day and what was your most challenging exercise in the day and what exercises you would like to do on a Fast 5 workout. So again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the PE Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE activity is called Jump Around. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, Do not go anywhere. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of Jump Around. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know in the comment section what you guys thought about the activity, how would you apply it, and the different things that you enjoyed from it. So again, please don't forget to drop a comment down below. Don't forget to use our hashtag, ThePESpot. And as always, at the PE Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.